Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I am going to camera test iQOO Neo 10. By the way, I am already making this smartphone short unboxing and short review. Video link also available in the first comment and the I button. iQOO Neo 10 comes with a dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with a 16 megapixel selfie camera. This smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30fps video, and you also record 4K 30 and 60fps video, and you also record this smartphone 1080p 30 60 and 120fps slow-mo video, and this is 4K 60fps video sample. So as you can see that the video quality is too good. Let's move on the picture. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. Sony IMX921 is a flagship camera sensor, so you can get a flagship level pictures. And as you can see that all the image, color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is excellent. Especially I like this smartphone portrait picture. Without telephoto lens you can get a excellent portrait. All the images give you almost natural picture and also good details and sharpness, and you guys get a pretty much good idea about the picture quality this smartphone. This smartphone give you all time perfect picture no matter when you take the picture, daylight, low light, even night. And here's some night portrait picture sample. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys this smartphone portrait pictures? Now talk about the ultra wide. Ultra wide you also take a decent picture. Yeah, it's not as good as the main camera, but it's okay. The picture quality, color correction, sharpness and details is good. Now let's talk about the night photography. Yeah, night photography is also very good. If you have a poor lighting condition, you can get a as daylight picture quality. So I can easily say that Sony IMX921 is a great camera sensor, and iQOO also optimized this camera sensor. So overall the camera quality is excellent. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys this smartphone camera quality? And very soon this smartphone long time and gaming review coming very soon. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So that pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.